Hey guys, today we are going to see how to download and install Lombok, and also we are going to see what are the advantages and disadvantages of using Lombok. When using Lombok, all that you need is technically we need to configure the dependency to the required libraries. Here you can see I have added Lombok jar. Now let's add update annotation to our user Pojo class to generate getter and setter for our properties. See, our IDE is still not understanding what these update annotations and will keep complaining about those missing getters and setters. We can fix this issue in different ways. You can install from Eclipse Marketplace if it is available, or you can get the plugin from Lombok website for your IDE and install it. Another way is go to browser, enter Lombok jar download. Here you can see the latest version 1.18. This is the latest version is showing when I recorded this video. If you want, you can download older version. Click here. You can download either one of this. We are going with the latest version 1.18.28. Click here. Once complete the download, copy and move downloaded jar file to your STS installation folder here or your favorite folder. Copy the path of your Lombok jar where it is located and open this INI file in your favorite IDE, either in Notepad or Notepad++. You have to include this Lombok path all the way down here. Now go to your IDE, file, click exit. Now we will now start our IDE again. Double click this Spring Tool Suite application icon. Now remove update annotation and enter it again. Now you can see our IDE is not complaining. So, okay. Now we saw how to install or configure Lombok on our STS IDE. The same process like Eclipse as well. Now we will see what are the advantages and disadvantages of using Lombok in our project. The advantages is Lombok saves your time and money, because Lombok, this is not only save your time, but theoretically money as well, right? So think about all the paid time your team spends writing getters and setters when renaming a variable, etc. This will take a lot of time and money as well, right? And also the second advantage is Lombok make your code cleaner and easier to read. So now let's see the disadvantages of using Lombok in our project. Big disadvantage is generated code is not displaying here, right? So suppose if you are using Sonar Cube in your enterprise application, then it leads to Sonar check style violations, since your code will be without getters and setters, right? That is one of the disadvantage. Another disadvantage is debugging Lombok code is very difficult. So usually you do not need to debug this boilerplate code, as it does not change much between classes, and usually the simple task such as setting variable values. But if you do need to debug Lombok code, then you will have difficulties doing so. So you have to de-Lombok, means you have to remove your Lombok configuration. Once you complete your debug, you have to reconfigure. You have to follow either one of the process I showed you now, and then you have to reconfigure your Lombok. So this is another disadvantages of using Lombok in our project. So today we saw different ways to configure Lombok in STS IDE and advantages and disadvantages of using Lombok in our project. Thanks for watching.